understand it. Or wanderlust unplanned, yet easily surpassing.